Traders, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is give you some reasons why trading a prop firm account could give you the opportunity to make an incredible income. The account you see behind me at the moment is one of my live accounts. It's a funded account. It's a 100k account, currently running at 102,000, so I'm 2k up on this one at the moment. And in the video, I'm going to explain more than just why this is a great opportunity, how you can get started if you have a limited budget with one of my preferred prop firms who are offering a discount at the moment, and to invite you to use our VIP Telegram Signals free 30-day trial to pass your prop firm challenge. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Over on our website, we have this link in the menu, prop firm, up here. It takes you to this page with all the information regarding Mega Funded. They're offering a 20% discount through the month of April. I've known one of the owners since 2021. Mega Funded are based in Australia, accepting clients worldwide, have partnered with 8cap, regulated by ASIC in Australia. USA customers are accepted on the DX Trade platform. So we've collaborated with Mega Funded, securing a 10% discount. There's an additional 10% discount through the month of April, bringing the total discount to 20%. Use my link down here for the discount and you'll be able to place 2 promo codes into the coupon field. The codes are TWA Mega 10 and April 10. Click on this link here, it will take you to the Mega Funded website, and you'll be able to scroll down and have a look through. Challenges start from 5,000. If you're looking for a minimal risk, low cost opportunity to trade somebody else's money, there's 20% off this $50 fee to get your foot in the door. For those of you who are a little bit more confident, you can go for any one of these larger accounts with the 20% off. You'll be able to go through the website. There's 2 options, there's 1-phase and 2-phase accounts. All the information's on there. So back to my website, here's an opportunity for you to trade a prop firm account over the next 30 days, join VIP and have access to our free 30-day trial at no cost whatsoever. Use this time to develop your trading plan and pass your prop firm challenge. So head over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. Make sure you use my affiliate link down here for the discount and quote the 2 promo codes. So with that, I hope you have a great day and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.